Hi sweetlings! It's me again, Yuli. So today, pag-uusapan po natin on how we can handle job rejection. But before we start, shout out muna kina I know some of you might say na madaming paraan na mag-cope with job rejection, and some of you might say na easy lang mag-handle ng job rejection. I totally agree with you guys. There are a lot of people na they can handle job rejection well. But we need to put into consideration also na may mga tao din na matagal sila mag-cope or hindi nila alam kung paano mag-cope with job rejection. Especially if yung job rejection na natanggap nila ay galing sa parang dream company nila or company na gustong-gusto nila doon magtrabaho, or your dream job position na matagal nilang gustong maabot. Disclaimer lang po na ang mga paraan na ipapakita ko dito is how I handle job rejection. But this is still depends on you guys kung ano yung preferable nyo na way to handle job rejection.
Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell para kapag may bagong video ako, ikaw yung unang makakita.
First is when I receive the news, either it's via email or via text, depends. But most of the companies na in-applyan ko, via email talaga yung pag-reply nila if natanggap ka ba or hindi. So with the email, if ma-receive ko yung email, di ba sa email makikita mo yung saan nanggaling yung email, ano yung subject line ng email, as well as the first sentence ng content ng email. Parang ganon. If makita ko sa first line na hindi ko natanggap or word na sorry something, hindi ko siya i-open.
Archive ko muna.
Kasi alam ko na na-reject ako sa ina-applyan kong trabaho. What I do next is bibigyan ko ng time yung sarili ko para i-feel yung ano man yung na-feel ko after receiving the email. And within those time, I talk it out with my significant other, either your partner, your friend, your family, something like that. And after I talk it out, I direct my attention to other productive things. Either edit ako ng video or play with my child or mag-watch ng movies or i-exercise. Yun yung usually na ginagawa ko. So when I'm ready to open the email, doon ko na siya ina-open at binabasa. Most of the times, actually, yung laman ng email is the reason why na-reject ka sa in-applyan mong work and how many months you can reapply sa company. The problem is, there are other companies, especially sa mga government-owned company, with their email, hindi sila naglalagay kung ano yung reason why na-reject ka sa trabaho na ina-applyan mo. It will be very hard for you to see kung ano yung dapat mong i-improve or i-prepare kung gusto mong mag-reapply sa company. And if may mga emails na ganun, hindi sila naglalagay ng reason, no? You can either reply to the email
and ask them the reason why you got rejected. And if wala kang makuhang reply from them,
assess yourself kung saan banda sa hiring process ka. Parang may lapse, ganun. Either sa interview ba, or sa exam, or sa requirements. So, yun, i-assess mo ulit. And para din mabawas-bawasan yung mararamdaman mong lungkot if ever hindi ka ma-hire sa ina-applyan mong trabaho or company, dapat din na talagang may contingency plan tayo or other company na ina-applyan. Wow! May paghuhugutan ka ng parang hope na baka sa ibang company, ma-hire ka. Para lang yung sumasali ka sa parang mga giveaways na kapag may madami kang entries, there's also a high chance of winning. Something like that. And dapat din na parang i-change mo yung mindset mo na hindi dahil na binigay mo yung best mo, ginawa mo lahat ng mga dapat gawin, ikaw na yung pipiliin ng company. Maybe because may other aspect yung mga recruiters or HR na tinitingnan. Either the experience, certificates, or age, something, may ibang aspeto silang tinitingnan. So dapat mo yung bigyan ng credit yung sarili mo na at least, ginawa mo yung best mo. So, parang hindi ka na manghihinayang na kung bakit na-reject ka sa ina-applyan mong company or work. So yun. That's it for today's video. I hope natulungan kayo ng video na ito. And if you're new here to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Click that notification bell para on my next video, ikaw yung unang makakakita. Bye, sweetlings. Take care.
Please follow my other social media accounts for you to get a chance to be featured on my next video. Leave a comment below for your questions and suggestions, or take a screenshot of that comment, share it on your Instagram story, and tag me. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you guys on my next video. Bye, sweetlings. Take care.